Get ready for a journey through the iconic world of The Simpsons. Join us as we explore the beloved animated sitcom and its impact on popular culture. The Simpsons, the long-running animated sitcom that has become a cultural staple since its premiere in 1989. Created by Matt Groening, the show provides a satirical glimpse into the lives of the Simpson family, serving as a commentary on American society and family dynamics. The Simpsons are made up of Homer and Marge, the parents, and their children Bart, Lisa, and Maggie. The series takes place in the fictional town of Springfield and is renowned for its humor that often pokes fun at current events and popular culture. The characters are exaggerated versions of typical American archetypes, designed to lampoon society's flaws and follies in a comical way. The writing is clever and sharp, and the show has received recognition for addressing serious topics such as politics, religion, and social issues with wit and insight. The Simpsons also explores the impact of technology on modern life, adding a layer of humor to current technological advancements. The characters use technology in their everyday lives, and the show often tackles the latest technological developments and our dependence on it. The show boasts an innovative animation style that breaks the fourth wall and employs music and sound effects to amplify the humor. Its widespread popularity has led to numerous merchandise, spin-off shows, and even a feature film. The Simpsons has a massive and passionate fan base that appreciates its ability to find humor in even the most mundane situations. Additionally, The Simpsons has had a significant impact on the world of animation and popular culture. Its unique brand of humor and animation style has influenced countless other shows and movies, and its characters have become household names. The show has also been utilized as a platform to address important social and political issues, generating discussion and raising awareness. After over 3 decades on air, The Simpsons continues to captivate audiences of all ages. Its ability to adapt and evolve has been key to its longevity, and its commitment to tackling important social issues has kept it relevant and entertaining. In conclusion, The Simpsons is much more than just an animated sitcom. It is a cultural touchstone that has had a lasting impact on the world of animation and popular media. By studying The Simpsons, we can understand the important role that humor and satire play in our society and how they can be used to address critical issues and spark important conversations. So whether you are a long-time fan or just discovering the show for the first time, The Simpsons is definitely worth watching for the AI Voyage audience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join our community.